It's not the mighty Mississippi, not the sunshine in LA. It's not a snow-capped Rocky Mountain on a warm summer day. It's not the glow of a full moon shining in the night.
To all the family and friends of Ryan and Stephanie, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to share with them their joy as they pledge vows of love and commitment to each other, which will unite them in marriage.
A bride and groom in Texas didn't let the pandemic or that brutal winter storm in Texas stop their big day.
It's not a trophy on the mantle or that raise that was overdue. It's not a wish that has been granted.
Hi. What?
Said you look awesome.
So do you. Me too.
Nothing else but
That works both ways.
the best thing that's ever happened is you. Is you.
Who gives this woman to marry this man? You may all be seated.
Stephanie, I am not sure that I ever thought we'd end up here, especially after our first date. But after these last 4 years, I know we are meant to be together. And today, I give myself to you in marriage, not merely as your husband, but as your friend, your lover, and confidant. I promise to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to love you in good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it is an effort. These things I give to you today and all the days of our life.
Everyday love isn't an accident. It isn't something that just happens. It takes care and intentionality. The choice to be part of a pair and responsible to each other instead of only to ourselves. A choice to cherish and to treasure. A choice to be vulnerable and to comfort. A choice to fight for us. And it isn't a choice made only once. It's a choice made every day. Some days it will be easy, you know, like when there's flowers, music, we're standing in front of our family and friends in fancy clothes. Or when I've managed to actually do my own dishes or straightened up the study. But some days it will be hard too, when we're facing challenges we can't even imagine yet today. Ryan, today I promise you this. I choose you. I will choose you when it's easy, and I will choose you when it's hard. I will keep choosing you every single day for the rest of our lives. I love you.
Because Ryan and Stephanie have pledged vows of love and given to each other a symbol of that love, it is my honor to pronounce them husband and wife. May you live together in blissful happiness from this day forward. Mr. Myers, kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to announce to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Ryan Myers.
Everything I found, well, honey, I found in you. You're the song I wanna sing. You're the story I wanna tell. You're the reason I believe that, honey, love is a ringing bell.
I have known Ryan for nearly 20 years. When you get to know somebody for that span of time, it's a long time to get to know somebody's kind of true character. And there are, maybe one, maybe two. He's got a good quality, maybe, I think, No, Ryan has a lot of fabulous qualities. I think that, he's intelligent, he's hardworking, he's fiercely loyal, he's got a wicked sense of humor, and these are all really good qualities in a friend, but I think they're also fabulous qualities in a husband. So it's nice to see that those kind of skills are transferable to this new wonderful relationship that he's going to have with Stephanie.
Love is a ringing bell.